Hi! Ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of cook. Person who prepares and/or cooks food, in particular as a job or in a specific way. For example, I'm a good cook. American pronunciation. Cook. Cook. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Cook. Say. Cook. Cook means person who prepares food. Cook. Cook. Cook origin. Old English COC noun from Latin cocus. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. After meals, refrigerate cooked leftovers as soon as possible. Now, repeat after me. After meals, refrigerate cooked leftovers as soon as possible. The second practice. Try to encourage children to help prepare and cook foods. Now, repeat after me. Try to encourage children to help prepare and cook foods. Visual representation of cook. Cook means person who prepares and/or cooks food, in particular as a job or in a specific way.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.